Hey guys, welcome back to Elden Ring. Third episode, we're getting far. Let's see how this goes. Just a quick disclaimer here. This is purely an upgrade episode. You can just skip this episode entirely if you just want the Rennala fight and me being awful at the game. So that's all. Anyways, we're back and we are now in Liurnia. Ah, damn, that's beautiful. I dropped into this church and this camp and then took out its inhabitants. Yes. Very sneaky. I bought some smithing stone from this dude with a campfire. And I got a map. And then found this NPC girl.
That thug made off with a precious necklace. I need someone to retrieve it.
I got another map and completely missed this golden seed.
Bruh.
Wow! Then I found this dragon. Turns out it was guarding a key into Rennala, the main attraction of this area where both bosses will be found. Then I ran through this heavily guarded area like an absolute coward. Oh, I did it. I got this map, and I used the key to open the gates. I took an elevator, and fought these two guys hanging out on the stairs. Wow, you do a lot of damage. I opened these doors. Oh. And killed a student. And as I walked outside, I met the teachers. Oh no. I took this lift, but one of the dogs jumped after me and I had to fight him. Never mind, he fell down. Oh. Bye bye. Anyway, I ran through the school and that's where I encountered the first boss, the Red Wolf of Radagon. Can we do it? No! I decided I needed some armor and ran into this dual-wielding pizza cutter guy. Oh no. This doesn't look good. I ran away. Anyways, I got the armor now, so that's cool. But can I wield the new armor? No. So an hour of troll farming has passed and I finally have enough to have medium load. Am I medium equip load? Yes. So now we challenge the wolf again. Okay, Red Wolf, round 2. Ah, no. Yeah, it took me a couple tries. Okay, I got you ready. Wait, did he summon? But eventually, I got him. Wait, did I do it? Oh! Oh, finally. Okay, we're gonna end the episode here. Next time we'll be in the... we'll do the next boss in the next episode, yes. In the next episode we'll be defeating Rennala. And also maybe leveling up, because that was pretty hard. Okay guys, so yeah. That is all for today. Stay tuned for episode 3. Have a fantastic day. Bye.